Sounds throaty. Backfire. It's freaking echoing off their house. It's loud. That does sound good. Follow my boy on Instagram,
Pearlsy34. There we go. The plug.
We got John Michael's 370Z 2016, mine's 2014, but doesn't matter, same engine. He just has a muffler delete on his, or not there, whatever. Muffler's gone. Mine's still got the muffler and everything's still stock because I just got it. So we'll do a comparison, but I'm not sure if I want to do test pipes first or muffler delete. So John Michael was nice enough to come hang out and show me a comparison, or we'll do a comparison to see how it sounds. You guys can decide if you want to do a muffler delete or if you just want to keep the stock exhaust and do test pipes first, because you do get performance gains from test pipes.
See, there's not really much drone. It's mostly road noise.
Yeah, the road noise overpowers it.
Big time.
That's what I was worried about. So do you regret having a muffler delete before test pipes or no?
Nah, not at all. I've actually really enjoyed the muffler delete just because of the tone it gave it, that rasp, that louder. It's that like a deep raspy sound. It's not too loud and obnoxious, but
it's enough. It's how the car should have sounded.
Exactly. It's enough to like, you can hear it going by whenever you're driving. Everything I've like researched and read and everything says leave your resonators on.
Oh yeah, that's what I saw.
If you do the like muffler delete and a cat delete, you have to leave your resonators on.
That's what I saw.
Because if you take those off, then it's just way too
obnoxious.
Like obnoxious sounding, way too ricey, I guess you would say.
So dudes, and this man got rid of his freaking mirror because his reason was he didn't like it.
You can see better. These cars have such a big market, so it's great. I love it.
Alright guys, well I hope that helped your opinion if you want to keep it stock and do test pipes or do a muffler delete. So he's probably going to do one more pull leaving. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. If you have any other questions, leave it in the comments below. And then if you want to follow either of us on Instagram, have Instagram pop up now. And then my Instagram is TheSlowZ. So thanks for watching, guys.